Hello, hey guys, my name is Alan Gitao. I am the organizer for Kikuyu Love Sessions, and we are currently live on location for our third edition. It's been a journey. We started in 2023 February with our first edition. It was very intimate. Very few people came through, but we thank God. And I just want to point out why we do this. So if you can see behind me, our theme is all about wedo, ogima wa meshiria na ogima wa mwere, which is mostly love, wellness, and positivity. So whenever you see any of our shows, these are the three themes that we hope you take home with you. A lot of love, a lot of wellness, and a lot of positivity. That is what we are trying to spread with all the events that we put together. So we're currently on location for that edition, and the lineup is amazing. Our headliner is Airosh. Before that, it's going to be Moringe. Before that, we have Wanjine himself. Before that, we have Nyawera. Before that, we have Mr. Full. Oh my God, we have such an amazing lineup. And I just want to thank everyone who supported us since the first show. It's been a great journey. I don't think we'd be here without all of your support, the guys who've bought tickets, the guys who've come through and given us hay for free. Like, we've had to call in a lot of favors because we don't have sponsors yet. So if you're there and you can sponsor the show, karibu sana. So everyone who we have called in a favor for and they came through for us and they supported us, asante sana. And about the youths, nilikuwa nimesahau. So you guys, don't give up. Kikuyu Love Sessions is all about promoting art and promoting Gikuyu culture. And we have a platform where if you have a talent, if you do poetry or you do rap or you sing or you dance, whatever it is that you do, we have a platform called The Bed. Videographer ataonesha The Bed, and that platform is for you to come and showcase what you can do. Even if you want to project your art on the bed, we have a projector where you can project your art on the bed. We have a lot of things that you as a young person can do. Usiwesema ni platform umekosa kwa sababu The Bed iko na Kikuyu Love Sessions iko. So you can come project your energy there. Let me say that. Whatever energy it is, whether it's dancing, whether it's public speaking, whether it's debate, whether it's podcasting, The Bed is here for you to come and channel that energy there. And we can't wait to see you guys on the fourth one. Karibuni sana. Check out.